Chainlink is predicted to rise a meteoric amount to $200, or a massive 4,450% gain. So is investing in Link still a viable idea, and can Link make you a millionaire? This seems to be the common thought by those who call themselves Link Marines, an army of militant Link holders that preach the adoption of this project, seeking to connect business with blockchain through their Chainlink oracles. Some more skeptical people in the crypto community wonder whether or not Link has topped out. Today, I'm going to tell you who's right. Let's get it. What if I told you could buy one token and make daily passive income for multiple dApps and crypto platforms? And what if that token only had a 20,000 max supply ever? I bet you'd buy it. I know I did. Check out powermind.club and tell them BitBoy sent you. Welcome to BitBoyCrypto. If you would like daily crypto videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you want to learn more about crypto or trading, then please make sure to join one or both of my Telegram chats, the Bit Squad or Bit Squad Traders. Alright guys, today we are going to be taking a look at Link and whether or not it is still a great investment for 2020. And at the end of this video, I'm going to be telling you my own personal thoughts on Link and giving you a price prediction. Looking back at this project, Link outperformed all other crypto assets in 2019, including Bitcoin. Chainlink is now synonymous with the word oracle. Oracles are basically data feeds that connect blockchains to off-blockchain data, which could include anything from asset prices to obscure data like weather or sports scores. Interoperability usually refers to two separate blockchains communicating with one another, but Link is a little different because its main goal is to make regular business data communicate with blockchain. The long and short of it is that Link enables regular businesses to incorporate the ease and security of blockchain into what they are already doing. So connecting smart contracts to real-world data presents a huge opportunity. Without access to real-world data, smart contracts are limited to use cases that only use on-chain data, and that's of course data that's stored on the blockchain. Chainlink is a decentralized Oracle network that allows blockchain smart contracts to connect to off-blockchain data in a decentralized way. While there are existing oracles that already allow blockchains to access data from the outside world, they have until now been all centralized. Chainlink opens up blockchain to the world. Here are some ways this use case is applied. Weather data to help calculate insurance premiums. Political events to resolve prediction markets. Sporting events to resolve decentralized sports betting. Location data to use in supply chain tracking. Damage verification to uphold insurance contracts. And basically anything else that would benefit from the transparency, efficiency, security, and traceability of blockchain-based smart contracts. So how will Chainlink appreciate in value other than simply getting bought off exchanges? Well, Link is taking advantage of one of the easiest ways for people to make passive income in crypto: staking. The future is staking-based cryptocurrencies that rise in value due to a percentage of the circulating supply taken from the market. In other words, the more of a crypto, in this example Chainlink, that is staked, the less the coin will be sold on the market, which in turn increases the price due to supply and demand dynamics. It's called scarcity. With the rise of staking and other forms of crypto dividends, users are looking for crypto assets to invest in, not just for capital gains, but yield or investment income as well. Chainlink staking involves running a Chainlink node or joining a Chainlink staking pool in order to connect blockchains to off-chain data and being paid in Link for doing so. Of course, if blockchain oracles see broader adoption, and Link is at the center of that, earning Link for providing off-chain data to smart contracts will pay off handsomely for stakers. Okay, so Chainlink has the fundamentals, but what about the team to pull it off and the partnerships? You betcha Chainlink has one of the most professional teams in all of crypto. Chainlink's team includes veterans from both blockchain and non-blockchain spaces. Chainlink's co-founder and CEO, Sergey Nazarov, is a smart contract pioneer. His early work includes smart contract projects involving NXT, which was a smart contract platform that came before Ethereum. He has also owned smartcontracts.com before Ethereum came out, or most people even knew what smart contracts were. Advisor Ari Jules is a computer science professor at Cornell University and the co-director of IC3. This is the initiative for cryptocurrencies and contracts. Their partners include IBM, Intel, JP Morgan, Microsoft, and Tezos. Advisor Evan Chang is the director of engineering and blockchain at Facebook. And what about those Chainlink partnerships? Link has a plethora of partnerships with Oracle, one of the world's biggest software companies, and of course, Binance, which is the world's biggest centralized crypto exchange, and of course, many more. Here's a brief and incomplete list of some of Chainlink's partnerships. Credits, V-Systems, dApps Inc., Google Cloud, Matic, GoChain, Reserve, Harmony, Shift, Hedera Hashgraph, IOST, Streamer, Ocean Protocol, Synthetics, Provable, Seller, STK, Mobilum, Ether, Keiko, OneChain, Hydrogen, BZX, Morpheus Network, Web3, GameDex, OpenLaw, OpenZeppelin, Clintex, Bet Protocol, and there's so many others. There's just too many to mention. And honestly, there are just too many others to mention. Now, this is just scratching the surface, and again, is no means a full list. For more, you can see blockchain.com's list of Chainlink partnerships, which seems to be a more complete list. We all know you came here, though, for the price predictions, so let's jump into it. Chainlink doesn't depend on the Bitcoin price that much and doesn't follow its trends in many cases. While the Bitcoin price was moving back and forth this year, Chainlink was rather in an ascending trend. A sudden crash of the entire world economy in March was the only factor that was strong enough to interrupt the steady growth and movement from the Link price. Since the moment when the price started to recover, it was climbing up again, showcasing relative independence of Bitcoin trends. Taking into consideration from the upward trend, the popularity of the coin, its accessibility on numerous markets, and the probable positive sentiment of the general public to cryptocurrencies in the days of a world pandemic and economic crisis, we believe that by the end of 2020, Link is going to be bigger than it is now for sure. Also, Chainlink is continuing to get many more notable partnerships all the time. It makes me think that Link will not only grow bigger, but raise its lower support level as well. There already were the cases when Link used to double its price in the course of 24 hours. Although it always was a short-term effect, the price kept on rising anyways over the long term. Doubling the price right now would mean $6. So there will be a series of corrections and new boosts before the end of the year, but the price should rise. One prediction is by the end of 2020, the Link price won't be lower than $6. It might reach new heights this year of $8 or $10, but only for short periods of time, according to Crypto Geeks. Digital Coin Price, a site that predicts cryptocurrencies prices based off fundamental and technical analysis, predicts that sometime in 2020, Chainlink will rise to $6.80. Wallet investors, Machines, are also making predictions. The crypto prediction site, which uses machine learning techniques to forecast crypto prices, is hot on Chainlink at the moment. Wallet Investor projects that Link could go up to $13 in 5 years' time. Many people think that's way too conservative. Others, like Ryan Selkis, a crypto commenter and co-founder of Messari Crypto Research, isn't too sure that Link can continue as a giant in the decentralized Oracle space. Of course, many people argue Chainlink's oracles aren't really even decentralized, but hey, who cares? It don't affect the price. But Selkis said this: "I'm baffled by Chainlink. Is it the solution to the evasive Oracle problem, or is it an overhyped project? Tech giants Oracle and Google recently announced plans to use Chainlink's network for data sharing purposes, but I still don't understand the economics of the token itself, and I definitely don't understand them at a $1.3 billion valuation." Outside of Chainlink, various DeFi protocols, MakerDAO, Compound, and UMA among them, also introduced new Oracle designs in 2019 to remove the layer of trust associated with their price feeds. This guy's been in crypto for how long, and he doesn't understand token economics aren't even a real thing. Speculation, baby, let's go. Chainlink's total token supply is 1 billion Link, with 350 million being sold to ICO investors. Another 350 million Link are set aside to incentivize Chainlink node operators, while the remaining 300 million are for the Chainlink team. However, there are some concerns to be had about Chainlink. There's no transparency about how the 650 million Link for node operators and the Chainlink team will be spent. They also don't have any sort of vesting schedule. For example, after year 1, the team gets 20%. After year 2, team gets another 20% of the tokens, and so on. They don't have anything like that. Of course, Chainlink's ultimate goals won't be easy, since the success of Chainlink depends on the following 3 key points: global adoption of smart contracts, demand for decentralized oracles for smart contracts, and Chainlink's ability to grow into a reliable and secure decentralized oracle solution. In my opinion, Chainlink seems like a good long-term hodl with the partnerships involved here, and Simon Dedek of BlockFire, one of the most accurate analysts, stated that Chainlink could go to $200 during the next bull run. It seems like a no-brainer move to go pick up a bag of Link. So what are my personal thoughts on Link and my price prediction? I'll just tell you like this. Recently, a friend of mine called me and wanted to get into crypto. He was thinking about buying all BTC. I explained to him that Bitcoin is a safe pick, but I recommend a 50% Bitcoin portfolio, somewhere around a 25% Ethereum portfolio. I told him there is much more upside with altcoins, but as a new crypto investor, I want him to leverage some risk, but still play it safe. I gave him 2 altcoins to split his other 25% between, Link and Tezos. In my opinion, these are the 2 safest altcoins outside of Ethereum to invest in at the moment. The upside of both of them is phenomenal. The downside is not that steep. Personally, I have a more conservative estimate of Link than many others out there, but I believe by the end of the next bull run, Link will be at $87. But I hope I'm wrong, and it does hit 200 or more. The Link Marines are counting on it. But now it's your turn. What do you think about Chainlink? Will it continue its epic rise, or is it almost out of gas? Make sure to drop your comments and price predictions below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to smash the like button and hit subscribe to become a member of the Bit Squad. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. BitBoy out.